So I've been getting many people saying that their gift links or the claim button in Opera GX is not working. And I am going to tell you what you can do to fix this issue. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because if you don't, then you will meet a ghost at 3 a.m. I went to the Opera GX browser on my PC and tried to generate a link, and I ended up getting a working link. Then I tried to get another link and that worked too. In total, I've generated like 7 links and all of them worked. Hang on, before we continue, I've got something really awesome to share with you. Boostly offers automatic Discord server boosting services at incredibly affordable pricing. Not only server boosts, you can also get Nitro upgrades and V-Bucks. And do you know what's even cooler? Getting these supercharged boosts is ridiculously easy. A few quick clicks on boostly.to and you've got you boosts within seconds. Look at that! More audio quality, more emoji slots, more of everything. So why wait? Check out boostly.to now and let your Discord community flourish with fantastic features, all without breaking the bank. But I tried to do the same thing on my iPhone, so I downloaded the application and checked if it works on my phone. I've generated a 2-link from the Opera GX mobile browser and both times it didn't work. And on Android, the claim button doesn't work. Then I also asked multiple people that are they getting this issue from PC? Most of the people that were having this issue have been using Android or iPhone. They didn't have a PC. So you have probably realized till now that these links don't work on phone, so just use your PC to get a working link. But if you don't have a PC, I can do something for you. After 2 hours of this video's upload, I'll give 20 of these working links in my Discord server. So join my Discord server. And this issue is not something permanent. This offer is supposed to stay till June of next year, so it should be fixed in a month or two. If you want to know 5 ways to get Discord Nitro, then watch this video. And if you want to know how to get Discord avatar decorations for free, then watch this video. My next video is on how to get Discord Nitro for free without a credit card. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel.